Got a fish, Ham? All right, Ham. Let me take the bell off. Hold on. Ooh, look at that thing going. Okay, don't reel, don't reel. Where's he at?
Oh, what the?
Okay, reel.
He's tired?
Ooh, look at that, baby. On the trout rod, ultralight mini. Keep the tip up. Yeah, let him when he runs, let him run. Woo! He's a good one. He's a good one, Ham. It's nice right here, baby. Let him run when he's running. Don't reel when he's running. Okay. We got him, man.
Where is he? Second part.
Oh, he's close by. That's a carp, huh?
Yeah.
Fish on, baby. Yeah, let me see him. There he is. Oh, he's a nice one. Now get the net. Get the net. Gideon, come over here. Look at the fish.
Look at.
Oh, he's a good one.
Oh shit.
Come on up. Come on up. Ooh, ooh. Hold on, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Gideon, look.
Gideon, come here, bro. Stop going to sleep. He's heck of big.
I'm gonna bring him up a little bit to see what he looks like.
Gideon, bro. Oh, no, he doesn't.
It's all right. Leave him alone. When he pulls up, when I pull him up, he'll be all right. See how he doesn't want to stop fighting?
It's just small, bro.
There it is. Any carp can get it. Yep, there he is. Woo! Just let him get tired, Ham, and then we'll pull him in.
That's a nice one.
It's a nice one, huh?
Medium size. Ooh. Not getting tired, huh?
Ooh, he's a nice one, Ham.
Holy.
What do you think? It looks like a good 20 inches or something?
Yeah. Like Gideon fighting.
Here, Gideon, come here. Go get him, go get him, go get him. Take him out of the truck. Put my little son Gideon on this fish. Here, Gideon. He's on, get. Just hold it like this. Come over here. Hold it. Okay. What? Okay, don't reel it, just hold it, Feel him? No, hold it. Gideon, he's on the line. Don't drop the pole. Okay, go ahead and reel. Start reel a little bit. Pick it up, pick the rod up. There you go. Do you feel him?
Yeah, it's too heavy.
He's just right here too. Okay, don't reel, don't reel. He's running. Okay, just lift the rod up a little bit. There you go. There he is. Did you see him? Okay, hold on, hold on. Okay, hold on.
Can't see.
Watch when he comes up right here. Get him. There he is. See him? Did you see him? All right. There you go, kid. There you go. Oh, he's a good one.
Have to get him. Oh, I see him. Get him quick.
Lift the rod up just a little bit, Gideon. Not too hard, just a little bit. Lift the rod up. There you go. There you go.
Now I have
Woo!
to reel it. Is he farting?
There he is.
Oh, he is.
No, don't drop the pole. You got to keep the pole like that. There you go.
Oh, he's right there, Gideon.
There he is, Gid.
Oh, I did. I see it.
Oh, he's right there. Look.
Woo! Get him, Ham. Oh, wait. Oh, you got him. Nice.
Oh, he's right.
Pick him up, pick him up. There you go. Good job, Gideon. It's a nice one, huh?
Ooh,
Okay, let me see the rod. Let me see the rod.
Holy, that's a huge one.
That's a goldfish. That's a shiny one.
It's a good one, huh, Gid?
Kind of looks like a goldfish and it's shiny.
Okay, let me unhook him real quick.
Touch it.
Let me unhook him.
I want to touch
I don't know, hold on, Gideon. Let me unhook him real quick.
Cute.
Excuse me.
Dad, I don't
Look at that hook.
Dad. I don't. Dad.
Touch it.
Dad,
Look at that hook,
it
man.
looks so cute.
The size 6
Dad, I
bait holder hook.
I
Okay,
don't
Gideon.
want you to slice him.
I'm not gonna slice him. I'm gonna put him back in. I'm just gonna measure him real quick.
Put him like this.
Hold on, Gid.
Okay, feel him. Look. Soft.
That's so good.
Slimy. Like some slime, huh?
It's kind of like slime. You're gonna have to keep it.
Beautiful colors, huh?
I know it
All
has.
right, Gid. Let me see, Gid. Let me see.
It has Greg and
Yeah, put him by the
slimy.
chair.
I'm gonna play with the slime.
Oh.
Okay, I'll ah.
Okay, Gid. Watch out. Watch
Hey,
out,
watch
Gideon.
out.
27 inches.
27. No, it's I feel like it's
Yep, good 27 inches.
27 inches.
Put it back in the water.
I'll put it back.
Let me see, Gid.
It kind of looks so cute.
Catch and release.
I'll throw it.
Stand over there. Nice. Any fish could get it, any carp could get it.
Nice one.
Father and son fishing. Did it again, you know? Let's go.
We get the same
the top
one,
one,
and
turn it
now
off.
we get the